Africa isn't just rising, it's disrupting. From fintech unicorns to digital credit platforms, the continent is home to some of the world's most exciting and valuable startups. In today's countdown, we unveil the top 10 most valuable African startups in 2025, their billion-dollar valuations, and what makes each one a game changer. These companies aren't just growing, they're rewriting the rules of global tech. Welcome to Africa's Top Tier, your gateway to the boldest stories coming out of Africa. Let's dive in. We start off at number 10 with Moove, a Nigerian-born mobility fintech startup that's transforming access to vehicle ownership across the African continent. Moove provides financing to drivers who want to purchase vehicles for ride-hailing and delivery platforms, all without needing traditional credit histories. By using alternative data like ride frequency and customer ratings, Moove enables gig workers to access credit and pay off their vehicles over time. The company partners with Uber, Bolt, and other mobility giants, and its vehicles now operate in over 13 cities across Africa, India, and the UAE. In a world where transportation equals livelihood, Moove is empowering thousands to drive their future. At number 9, we have Moniepoint, a powerhouse in Nigeria's financial services landscape. Starting with POS terminals for small businesses, Moniepoint grew into a full-stack business bank offering seamless digital payments, payroll solutions, working capital loans, and business management tools. Moniepoint's success lies in its ability to reach underserved populations, especially informal sector traders and SMEs who form the backbone of African economies. With over 1.5 million businesses onboarded and billions processed annually, Moniepoint's grassroots strategy has proven to be scalable and profitable. In 2025, the startup earned a banking license, cementing its place as one of Africa's most trusted fintech institutions. Number 8 on our list is MNT-Halan, Egypt's leading fintech platform that has digitized financial services for the unbanked and underbanked, offering everything from micro-lending and bill payments to e-commerce and ride-hailing. MNT-Halan has built a comprehensive ecosystem tailored to the needs of Egypt's underserved communities. With over 5 million active users, their proprietary wallet and digital banking system are helping millions transition from cash to digital finance. They've also ventured into logistics, helping merchants reach customers in remote areas. MNT-Halan's versatility and inclusive model are the key reasons behind its $1 billion valuation. Coming in at number 7 is a veteran of African fintech, Interswitch. Launched in 2002, the Nigerian company has been a silent architect behind many of the continent's digital payment systems. Interswitch is known for creating the Verve card, Africa's first indigenous payment card, and for building the infrastructure that supports banking transactions across Nigeria and beyond. The company also runs QuickTeller, a popular digital payments platform for everyday services like airtime top-ups, utility bill payments, and fund transfers. Interswitch has been instrumental in enabling digital economies in countries where cash once reigned supreme. It is not just a unicorn, it is a pioneer. At number 6 is Esusu, a US-based startup founded by Nigerian immigrants that's shaking up the American credit system. Esusu allows renters, especially immigrants and minorities, to build credit by reporting their rent payments to credit bureaus, something traditional systems often overlook. Esusu now partners with thousands of landlords and property managers, helping tenants unlock new financial opportunities. With investors like Serena Williams and SoftBank, Esusu is using technology to challenge systemic inequality. Its African roots and global reach show that the diaspora continues to shape the tech world in powerful ways. At number 5 is Andela, one of Africa's most globally recognized tech startups. Originally founded to train top software engineers across Africa, Andela evolved into a global talent marketplace that connects developers from emerging markets to companies worldwide. Today, Andela serves clients across Europe and North America and supports thousands of engineers in Nigeria, Ghana, Egypt, Kenya, and beyond. It's more than just job placement. Andela is a movement that champions African talent and remote work as the future of tech employment. With a $1.5 billion valuation, Andela represents the value of Africa's human capital. Senegal's Wave lands in 4th place, and rightfully so. This fintech startup became the first unicorn in Francophone Africa thanks to its user-first approach to mobile money. Wave offers free peer-to-peer transfers, low fees for cash outs, and a friendly mobile interface that makes financial access simple and affordable. In regions where traditional banks are scarce and telco fees are high, Wave has offered a lifeline. It now operates in Senegal, Côte d'Ivoire, Mali, Burkina Faso, and Uganda, providing millions with their first taste of digital banking. With backing from Sikoa and Stripe, Wave is riding a tsunami of impact across West Africa. Taking the bronze at number 3 is Chipper Cash, a Ugandan-Ghanaian startup that's redefining cross-border payments. Chipper allows users to send money across African countries, invest in US stocks, trade cryptocurrency, and access virtual debit cards, all from a single app. With over 5 million users and integrations across multiple banking systems, Chipper Cash makes it easier for Africans to participate in the global financial system. Backed off by Jeff Bezos' personal fund and other top investors, Chipper is proving that African startups can go global without losing their roots. At number 2 is OPay, Nigeria's all-in-one super app. What started as a ride-hailing service has grown into one of the continent's most dominant digital financial ecosystems. OPay now offers mobile payments, food delivery, lending, insurance, and even debit cards, all through one platform. Its scalability is phenomenal. In just 5 years, OPay has gone from startup to essential infrastructure for millions of Nigerians. With strong backing from Chinese investors and a relentless focus on everyday utility, OPay has earned its $2.7 billion valuation. It is not just a startup, it is a digital lifestyle. And topping our list at number 1 is none other than Flutterwave, Africa's highest valued startup in 2025. Flutterwave provides the payment rails for over 1 million businesses across more than 30 African countries. Whether you're booking a flight, ordering food, or shopping online, there's a good chance Flutterwave is powering the transaction. The Nigerian-founded company is the go-to API for global merchants entering Africa, making cross-border commerce smoother than ever. With strategic partnerships with Uber, Flywire, and major banks, Flutterwave has built a bridge between Africa and the global economy. It is not just the most valuable, it is one of the most impactful. Africa's tech ecosystem is booming, and these 10 startups are just the beginning. They are creating jobs, solving real problems, and proving that innovation has no borders. Which one inspired you the most? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe to Africa's Top Tier for more stories on the ideas reshaping the continent and the world.